Network interfaces. So network interfaces are essential components that connect your VMs to your virtual network. Each VM must have at least one network interface, and you can attach multiple network interfaces if necessary. Real world example. Imagine you are deploying a VM that needs to communicate over different networks, such as one network for web traffic and another for backend services. Attaching multiple network interfaces to the VM allows you to segregate traffic securely. Pricing. The good news is that network interfaces are free, though they will incur charges indirectly, such as when traffic flows through a public IP or other network components.